So in this video, I am going to show you how you can add money to your demo account on MT5. So I am on my MT5 mobile app right now. You can know MT5 from these buttons, the blue and red buttons that are two. One is spherical, another one is rectangular. So you will know that you are dealing with MT5 mobile app. When I click here, you can see it is a demo account as represented by this tag that is demo. Okay, and if you check the number, it is 248. It ends with 248 as the ID number. This is an Xness demo account. So I am going to show you how to add money to it. What is in it now? When you go under trade session, here you click, you will see is $47. So you may want to add extra money to it again to enable you to learn how to trade and to practice your strategies. So let me show you how you can add money to this MT5 demo account. Now I want to add $1,000, $1,000 to this 47. So you must know who your broker is. So it's Xness. So I am going to log into Xness because I connected that account to this MT5 account. Now if you don't know how to connect your Xness account to MT5, the video will appear at the top right hand corner. So once you have connected it like this, it depends on whichever type of broker that you are using. Okay, so I will go to Xness app right now. So click the Xness app and log into it. Allow it to load. So you are going to select the type of demo account that you want to deposit into it or to add money to it. So we are going to click this arrow that is here, click on it, then under your demo, click the demo, and you are going to select this account. This is the account that has that $47 in it. So I will click on it, allow it to load. Then you will see the option of deposit. So I am going to click deposit. So you will enter the amount that you want to deposit, and remember I told you it's $1,000. Then click continue. So it means they have accepted to deposit that by adding more money to your demo account with this figure that you have specified. So you can click this X and then go back. You can see you now have 1,047. So even when I go back to the MT5, you can see that the money has been added to my MT5 demo account. This was very easy. So if you have any question regarding how to add money to your demo account on MT5, just let me know in the comment section. And remember, I told you it depends on your broker. Just go to your broker, select that particular demo account and click on deposit, and you specify the amount and it will be deposited into your account. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.